Spatial metadata describes the aspects of your data that are associated with the position on the surface of the Earth. For example, every time you take a photo with your smartphone, spatial metadata is automatically added to the file of that photo, including altitude, latitude, longitude, place names, and more. Your phone can use this metadata to display your photo on a map. When recording spatial metadata, there are a few things that need to be captured to make sure others can use and interpret your data accurately. In addition to information such as the file format, provenance, and collection methodology, spatial metadata will include information about how your data is referenced in space. For example, you might be describing the shape of a place by map using several latitude-longitude pairs. You might also simply be using postal codes or place names from the GeoNames database in a spreadsheet. Recording what kind of system you are using will help others understand your data. There are many questions you can ask to ensure you're recording useful spatial metadata, such as, what does a potential user need to know about how this data has been collected or modified over time? Are there any quality issues with this data? Or how accurately can the data be located in space? For more on this, visit the short guides on our website.